I recently started with a fresh install of Clipper and Moonraker, and by doing that, I just removed my old SD card out of my Pi, put a new SD card in, flashed Moonraker to it, and went from there. So I had the original SD card still intact. And what I did was right now I've got both SD cards, each in their own Pi, and they're running side by side. So it's the same printer, but there's two instances of Moonraker going on. Over here on the right, I've got the old version, and on the left is the new version. And I did this because I wanted to transfer all of my print history over. So you can see on the old one, I've got all my information, and the new one is blank. But it's the same printer, so I want to carry that over. All right, so then we're just going to open an instance of PuTTY for each one. And on the old machine, the one that we're transferring the information from, we're going to change into the Moonraker database directory. Then we're going to stop the Moonraker service. And then we need to install the utility that we're going to use to move the database from one end to the other. Okay. Then we can dump our information into a text file. And that last little period at the end is muy importante. All right, so now we can open up WinSCP for the old one. And first and foremost, you need to go up to Options, Preferences, Panels, and make sure Show Hidden Files is checked. So anything that's got a period in front of it is going to be a hidden directory, and you can see that they're grayed out, but it does show it to us now. And there's our file that we need right there, so we're just going to drag that over to our desktop. We're going to go over to our new machine. We are also going to stop Moonraker. And we're also going to hop into the same database. Install the same tools. I'll spell it right this time. While that's doing that, we can open up another copy of WinSCP for the new instance. And we can see there's our Moonraker file on our desktop, and we're going to go back into the database as well. We're going to manually change both of these file extensions to old. Just like that. Go back into PuTTY, and we're going to restart, and then immediately restop Moonraker. Now we can move over the Moonraker file into the new database file, and you'll see that it automatically just repopulated the two database files. And then we just need to load the file. And again, that period at the very end right there is very important. Everything looks like it went well, so we can sudo restart Moonraker. I'll do that on both. And so now you can see that all of our information is on our new machine now. It doesn't have all of the actual G-code files, so you're not going to get the pictures, you're not going to be able to reprint from them. I haven't tried. You could probably just move those same files over and have it work. I didn't try it, but I'm happy with that. Let's actually. Nope, so it brought over more information, but does not have no pictures, but not a big deal.